Spring is here. If you're in the mood for a fun, colorful baking project that's both delicious and visually stunning, then fruit-shaped sugar cookies with an all-natural food coloring are the perfect treat. First, cream together butter and sugar until it's fluffy. Mix baking powder, salt, and cornstarch into a bowl. Next, mix them together into a bowl. Add 1 large egg, vanilla, butter, and almond extract. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups of flour mixture at a time. Wrap your dough in cling wrap for 6 to 12 hours. Whisk together your meringue powder in warm water until it resembles a frothy foam on speed 4 for about 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly add in your powdered sugar a cup at a time until your powdered sugar is added. Start on low, then slowly increase your mixer speed to speed 4 until it starts to thicken. You may now split the icing into bowls for coloring using Chefmaster's natural coloring and/or change of consistencies. It is a great idea to have 2 piping bags of each color. One can have a thick consistency for details and outlining, the other has a thin consistency for flooding and filling in. Now you're ready to decorate these lovely fruit cutout cookies. Enjoy!